Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok video preferences. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now let's open up the TikTok app. And you can see I am on the For You page, and the TikTok app will show you a number of different videos based on your preferences. But you can change those preferences by doing a bunch of different steps to edit that and get it to show you the videos you want to see. Now, the very first thing that I'll show you is at the bottom right, we'll tap on Profile, and then at the top right, we will tap on those three lines, and then hit Settings and Privacy. Now, first, what we're going to do is remove the previous preferences. So we're going to go down here and hit Clear Cache, and that will clear all of the cache. And then you can see above that is Watch History. So I'm going to tap Watch History, and at the top right, I'm going to tap the gear icon and hit Clear History. So this will clear all of the history of the videos that I have watched and kind of reset those preferences. Now, a really cool thing that you can do is towards the top here, you can see Language. I can tap Language, and then it shows Preferred Languages as the second option. I can tap that, and it says Select languages you understand post will be recommended in these languages, and they won't be translated. So this kind of tells TikTok which language you want to see TikTok videos in. So if your preference is English, Spanish, Dutch, French, whatever, you can adjust that to see videos in that language, and thus kind of regions of TikTok videos from that specific area or country. So I chose English here. Now let's go back out of here, and we can go back to the homepage. Now that we've reset those preferences and chosen a language that we prefer, what we can do on any of these videos is we can tap and hold on them. And then at the bottom here, we can tap Not Interested if we don't like a specific video, and that will tell the TikTok algorithm that you don't prefer that specific type of content. Another way that you can adjust the preferences is at the top right here. You can tap the search icon, and then you can search for whatever you have preferences for, say Hawaii. And once you search for Hawaii, and you watch a few of the videos about Hawaii, and you go through this, then basically TikTok learns, the TikTok algorithm learns that you have preferences to watch Hawaiian videos on the app itself. So then the next time you open it up, it will show you more Hawaii videos. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.